guys, Okana here. I'm going to talk about basic charting and technical analysis. So what you need for basic charting is simply a chart. For example, you can use MetaTrader and you can use candlesticks as seen here, or you can use the bar chart, the line chart or the bar chart. There are also other sorts of candlesticks, and you can read more about them in the forum, for example, Heiken Ashi. The basic techniques, they're kind of like an art. You can learn the basics on how to play an instrument, but then you have to set your own touch on it when you learn to see different things on the chart, like the more advanced stuff, like the patterns and the volume and the overall the feeling, so you can get the intuition on how to predict future movements. And we're not that far away from our targets. As you can see, it's not that far away. So I wouldn't be surprised if we saw a touch later this week. Depends on the volatility. I mean, it could happen today as well, but during this week, maybe even next week, and then we will see if it finally breaks up or not. If it breaks up, it means that, well, it's going towards our channel here. You can see the big drop here. It's a good indicator. That's why I placed my line, applied it here. So in the video you just saw a demonstration of doing a forecast using charting skills, technical analysis, and now you can see the outcome here. Price did indeed reach up to the target we discussed. Both resistance targets were touched. There was some resistance here. This is the 4-hour time frame, so there was a few hours of push down here as we expected, and then this area became support for a while, and then price did fall back to our trend line here also. So this is how you get your signals through charting and technical analysis. You set up approximate potential targets and then you trade in that direction. And so you saw that even the moving average was touched, and it became support later on here and here also. So we had a breakout in this region, so we could trade accordingly. Once it got broken and came down, became support. So this is what technical analysis and charting can help you with. So let's continue, and that's what this is all about, because that's how you get your trading signals. The signals, by which I mean when to enter the trade, setting expiries and such. So for that you need to be able to read previous history to be able to predict future outcome, potential future outcome. Of course, after that you can also learn how to draw different patterns, like multiple tools that we have on MetaTrader. The simplest ones like drawing trend lines or placing support resistance lines, recognizing patterns, and you can also use indicators. Of course, they are also part of charting and analyzing skills. If you do it right, if you really understand how the indicator you're using works, that is. If you're only looking at the indicator, then you're not doing proper charting. You're relying too much on the indicator, but you should let the candlesticks tell you what the indicator is saying, not the other way around. So these are the basic charting skills. As I said, it's like art. It's like painting or playing an instrument. First you learn the basics, and then every trader will set his own touch on it and trade the way they like it. Maybe they trade based on the daily charts or multiple time frames, or the shorter time frames, and do breakout trades or resistance or reversals or such. So whatever you do, it's up to you, but you should learn the basics. And I will link to this article here at binaryoptions.soc.com about basic charting skills. I will put the link below in the description. You can learn about what kind of other articles we have related to binary options and trading and charting. That's pretty much it. If you want more info about technical analysis, look at some other videos as mentioned before. I will put some suggestions here on the screen. Thanks for watching.